Hello. So we're gonna be talking about else statements today. So I just have the same exact program we worked on for the if tutorial, except I've added this. So if they are 21 or older, invite them in. If they aren't 21 or older, tell them to go away. So basically what we're saying is if this statement is false, we want something to happen. So the way we do that is we go to the same indentation level as the if statement. We just line up the else with the if, and we put the same colon, and we say print get out of here. So now what'll happen is if this is false, then this runs. If this is true, then this runs. So an else is just saying, if this doesn't work, do this instead. So if we run this, we use the same example. So if we enter our age as being 25, this is true. 25 is greater than or equal to 21. So we print these two lines out, and we ignore this. So if we run this again, if we enter our age again as 5, we see get out of here, because if 5 is greater than or equal to 21, well, it's not. So this gets ignored. So since that is ignored, this runs instead, and we say get out of here. So if this condition is true, run this, else run this. So that's the concept behind it. It's really common and useful to know. So alternatively, you could just say this: if age is less than 21, that also works just the same, but I think one of them is clearly less typing, which that always is a big plus in my book, but it also just makes a little more sense to someone reading your code. So hope that helped. Thanks for watching, guys. Can't wait to see you in the next tutorial.